RC play football.
Football is played by RC.
RC does not play football.
Football is not played by RC.
Does RC play football?
Is football played by RC?
Does RC not play football?
Is football not played by RC?
Why does RC play football?
Why is football played by RC?
Why does RC not play football?
Why is football not played by RC?
RC is playing football.
Football is being played by RC.
RC is not playing football.
Football is not being played by RC.
Is RC playing football?
Is football being played by RC?
Is RC not playing football?
Is football not being played by RC?
Why is RC playing football?
Why is football being played by RC?
Why is RC not playing football?
Why is football not being played by RC?
RC has played football.
Football has been played by RC.
RC has not played football.
Football has not been played by RC.
Has RC played football?
Has football been played by RC?
Has RC not played football?
Has football not been played by RC?
Why has RC played football?
Why has football been played by RC?
Why has RC not played football?
Why has football not been played by RC?
RC played football.
Football was played by RC.
RC did not play football.
Football was not played by RC.
Did RC play football?
Was football played by RC?
Did RC not play football?
Was football not played by RC?
Why did RC play football?
Why was football played by RC?
Why did RC not play football?
Why was football not played by RC?
RC was playing football.
Football was being played by RC.
RC was not playing football.
Football was not being played by RC.
Was RC playing football?
Was football being played by RC?
Was RC not playing football?
Was football not being played by RC?
Why was RC playing football?
Why was football being played by RC?
Why was RC not playing football?
Why was football not being played by RC?
RC had played football.
Football had been played by RC.
RC had not played football.
Football had not been played by RC.
Had RC played football?
Had football been played by RC?
Had RC not played football?
Had football not been played by RC?
Why had RC played football?
Why had football been played by RC?
Why had RC not played football?
Why had football not been played by RC?
RC will play football.
Football will be played by RC.
RC will not play football.
Football will not be played by RC.
Will RC play football?
Will football be played by RC?
Will RC not play football?
Will football not be played by RC?
Will RC not play football?
Will football not be played by RC?
Why will RC play football?
Why will football be played by RC?
Why will RC not play football?
Why will football not be played by RC?
RC will have played football.
Football will have been played by RC.
RC will not have played football.
Football will not have been played by RC.
Will RC have played football?
Will football have been played by RC?
Will RC not have played football?
Will football not have been played by RC?
Why will RC have played football?
Why will football have been played by RC?
Why will RC not have played football?
Why will football not have been played by RC?
Well done.